In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira roadmap. If you're diving into managing your projects more effectively with Jira, then mastering the roadmap feature is a key skill to have in your toolkit. Let's walk through, step by step, creating a roadmap in Jira to help you visualize, plan, and communicate your team's progress and objectives. First, head over to Jira. Make sure you're logged into your account to get started with customizing your roadmap. It's always a good idea to have your project objectives and timelines in mind as you do this because it will make the process much smoother. Once you've accessed Jira, your next move is to click on the Spaces or Projects section. This is your stepping stone to navigate to the specific segment of Jira that you want to manage. Imagine this as selecting the room where all the project planning magic happens. After that, select the space or project where you want your roadmap to reside. If you have multiple projects, ensure that you choose the right one to avoid any mix-ups. This is crucial as each roadmap you create will be specific to this chosen project, making it an integral part of your planning arsenal. The next step is to click on the timeline. This feature is pivotal as it visually lays out your project's trajectory over time. It helps you keep track of major project milestones and deadlines, providing a comprehensive overview of what's coming up and what has been achieved. Once you're in the timeline view, it's time to click on Create Epic. Epics are large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks or stories, giving structure to your project planning process. It's like setting a milestone. Each epic will represent a significant goal or deliverable in your project. With your epic created, you have the opportunity to adjust its date range by simply dragging it across the timeline. This dynamic feature allows you to shift deadlines and timelines seamlessly, which is incredibly useful when changes occur. It's a great way to ensure your team stays aligned with the evolving project needs and deadlines. Finally, click on the Sprint section to input details. Sprints are the heartbeat of agile planning in Jira. Here you can put down specifics, assign tasks, and set goals for each sprint cycle. Organizing your tasks in this structured manner ensures everyone on the team knows what to focus on, helping to drive productivity and clarity. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a roadmap in Jira. Remember, a well-structured roadmap is not just a tool for planning, but also a communication bridge between team members, helping align effort with outcomes. Happy planning, and may your projects run smoothly and effectively.